Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. If you're new here, my name is Mimi and I'm a psychiatrist and a makeup artist. So if you love all the videos like for girly stuff like makeup tutorials, reviews and DIYs and much more, you're gonna find a bunch of these stuff in this channel. So consider subscribing so you don't miss any kind of videos in the future. And if you are a subscriber already and you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you all here. This video will be kind of an intro video for upcoming videos. I'm gonna make a 30 days video. I'm gonna make kind of a beauty makeup tag question makeup, like makeup questions. It's actually 30 questions, so I'm gonna answer one question every day, so it will be 30 videos. I'm gonna upload it like daily, so it will be one video each day for a month. So I'm gonna collect all these video in one playlist. I'm gonna link it in the card description box down below if you want to go and check this out. So it will be actually kind of a really fun, really short and light kind of videos. If you love this kind of a tag or this kind of videos, kind of a vlog tag thing. So I really hope you like it. And yeah, I just wanted to say this intro so you can understand what's coming up next. So I'm gonna link the playlist in the card description box down below. And now let's stop blobbing and jump into the first video of my 30 days videos upload and answering one makeup question every day. So let's jump into it. And if you like, you can answer the questions like every day and write the comments down below, or you can make your own video if you have a YouTube channel. If you have like a comment, please comment down below. I'll be so happy to read your comments, like read your answer. And of course, there will be questions that we're gonna like add more value and more information to each other. So consider doing that. I'll be so happy to read your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of videos, and if you like all these girly stuff, makeup tutorials and DIYs, reviews, I love doing all of that. It will be in my channel. So just take a look around if you are new here, and I really hope you like my channel and really hope you like me too. So I'm gonna see you very soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.